Have you ever wondered how to attract birds to your backyard? Imagine the joy of birdwatching from your own doorstep. It's about creating a welcoming habitat. We'll share tips to lure various feathered friends. Birdwatching right at your home can be a delightful hobby. So how can you attract more birds to your backyard? The first step to attract birds is by providing them with food. Bird feeders are the dining tables of the avian world, offering a smorgasbord of options. From seeds for finches to suet for woodpeckers, the food you provide can attract a diverse feathered crowd. Hanging feeders in quiet, sheltered areas can make them more appealing. And cleanliness isn't just for us humans. Regularly cleaning your feeders can prevent disease spread among our feathered friends. Remember, the variety of foods will attract a variety of birds. Next, birds need water not just for drinking but also for bathing. From simple bird baths to elaborate water features, there's a water source for every garden. Remember, birds prefer fresh, clean water, so regular maintenance is key. Providing a water source will definitely make your backyard a popular spot for birds. Birds also need safe and comfortable places to rest and nest. Birdhouses are amazing tools for this purpose, available in all shapes and sizes to accommodate different bird species. But don't forget the natural shelters. Trees and shrubs can provide excellent nesting spaces too. It's crucial to place these birdhouses strategically, shielding our feathered friends from predators and harsh weather. So, if you want to hear the delightful chirping of baby birds in the future, providing safe shelters can encourage birds to stay longer, or even raise their young in your backyard. Attracting birds to your backyard is a rewarding experience. We've explored the importance of bird feeders, the right foods, and the necessity of water sources. We've also delved into providing safe shelters and nesting spaces. All these efforts not only bring about the joy of birdwatching, but also offer numerous benefits to your garden. Birds control pests, pollinate plants, and even help with seed dispersal. Enjoy the chirping melodies and the vibrant colors right in your backyard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening and wildlife tips.